one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we
Hello all, welcome to a new vlog, and today we are starting our journey to Mangalore, my hometown. Right now the time is around 11:37. Hopefully we should reach Mangalore by around 6 p.m. So we will be traveling via Sakleshpur Ghats. Recently there was a landslide, so hopefully the Ghats are open for travel right now. We'll keep you all posted.
I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at
Been a while since we haven't traveled really and done any road trips, but the next 2 weeks we are planning to do quite a lot. This time around we have our new travel friend Simba. He's not used to long travels. This is his second travel. Of course we had taken him to Coorg some time ago, but we really are hoping he'll not get stressed out because of the long travel and the Ghat sections he has to travel this time. Simba!
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
So all of a sudden it started raining in Bangalore. I was expecting this rain in Mangalore or Sakleshpur, so we are expecting some delays in our travel time.
So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
So right now the time is around 1:50, and we have stopped for lunch. We have stopped at Pakashala restaurant, which is on the way to Kunigal. And thanks to Pakashala, since we had a pet with us, they are delivering the food to the car.
It's just us two, me and you.
Now it's time to head back to Mangalore. Hopefully it's 2:30 now, close to 2:30 now. Hopefully we should be able to reach Mangalore before 6. That's what we are aiming for. Let's see how it goes. We'll keep you updated.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. This being more than friends. Yeah. stay every single day.